Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. I am continuing the previous topic, that is analysis of transaction by applying debit and credit rules under modern approach discussion. Now in this video I am going to explain the purchase of fixed asset on credit, purchase of fixed asset for cash. We are going to discuss in this video. Purchased furniture from RK Furnitures on credit rupees 60,000. Now what is there? In this transaction, furniture is there. Furniture is a fixed asset. In case of fixed asset, check first cash or credit transaction. Why it is necessary to check? Because fixed asset is there. In case of goods, in case of fixed asset, first you check whether this transaction is a cash or credit. Furniture is there, so it is necessary to check cash or credit. On credit is there. The credit transaction, in case of credit transaction, what will comes first? For offer, party name is RK Furnitures. Now what we are doing? We are purchasing furniture. Take furniture. Don't write purchases. Don't take purchases. Purchases belongs to only purchase of goods. Purchase of goods is nothing but purchases. Don't take purchases. Take asset name. Furniture. Because we are purchasing asset, you take asset name. RK Furniture. The party name. Question mark. Who is this party name? Whether he is a debtor or creditor, first you check it. Generally we are purchasing asset from where? Our supplier. Supplier is nothing but creditor. Creditor is a person to whom our business is payable, to whom our business is dues. That person is called creditor. Simply our business is purchasing furniture from RK Furniture, giving cash or not giving cash, not giving cash, because on credit is there. Due to RK Furniture or due from RK Furniture? Due to RK Furniture. Due to so and so person, that so and so person is called creditor. Creditor comes in what? Creditor comes in liabilities. Furniture comes in what? Furniture comes in asset. Now concentrate on creditor, that is RK Furniture. When we are purchasing furniture, giving cash or not giving cash? Not giving cash. Due to whom? Due to RK Furniture. Due to creditor is increasing or decreasing? Due to creditor is increasing. Our liability is increasing. Credited. Furniture is asset. When we are purchasing furniture, our furniture is increasing or decreasing? When we are purchasing furniture, concentrate on furniture. Our furniture, our asset is increasing or decreasing? Our furniture is increasing or decreasing? Our furniture is increasing. Our asset is increasing. Increasing the asset is what? Is debited. So furniture account is debited. RK Furniture account is credited. Now you take another one. Purchased furniture from RK Furniture on account. On account. Same setting. What is it? Purchased furniture Furniture is a fixed asset. Check whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction. On account is there. On account is also termed as credit transaction. In case of credit transaction, what will comes first? Party name. Party name is RK Furniture. RK Furniture. Question mark to your mind. Who is RK Furniture? Whether it is a furniture, RK Furniture, that party is our creditor or debtor. Due to them or due from them? Due to them, it is a creditor. Creditor comes in liability. Due to them is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. What is increasing? Liability is increasing. Increase in the liability is what? Is credited. Furniture comes in asset. When we are purchasing furniture, concentrate on furniture. Purchase furniture. Our furniture is increasing or decreasing? Our asset is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Increase in the asset is what? Is debited. So furniture account is debited. RK Furniture party name, that account is credited. Another one is purchase furniture from RK Furniture. Rupees 40,000. Plain transaction. Plain transaction with party name. It is a credit transaction. What is there? Furniture is there. Furniture is a fixed asset. In case of fixed asset, check cash or credit transaction. What is there? Plain transaction. On account is not there. On credit is not there. For cash is not there. But party name is there. Plain transaction with party name is termed as credit transaction. In case of credit transaction, what will come first? Party name will come first. Party name is RK Furniture. Who is RK Furniture? Is our supplier. Supplier is also known as creditor. Creditor comes in what? Creditor comes in liabilities. So when we are purchasing furniture, not giving cash to RK Furniture, due to them is increasing or decreasing? Due to them is increasing. Increase in the liability is what? Is credited. Furniture comes in asset. When we are purchasing furniture, our furniture is increasing or decreasing? Our furniture is increasing, our asset is increasing. Increase in the asset is what? Debited. So furniture account is debited. RK Furniture party name, that account is what? Is credited. Now another one. Purchased furniture from RK Furnitures for cash rupees 40,000. Furniture is there. Fixed asset is there. In case of fixed asset, check cash or credit. For cash is there in the transaction. It is a cash transaction. In case of cash transaction, party name will not come. In the place of party name, what will comes? Cash comes. Cash. And what we are purchasing? Purchasing furniture. You write furniture. Don't write purchases. Purchase belongs to only purchase of goods. Cash and furniture. Cash comes in what? Cash comes in assets. Furniture comes in. Furniture comes in assets accounts. Now concentrate on cash. When we are purchasing furniture, by giving cash, concentrate on cash. Our cash is increasing or decreasing? When we are paying, our cash is decreasing. Decreasing the asset is credited. Furniture comes in asset. When we are purchasing furniture, our furniture is increasing or decreasing? Our furniture is increasing. Why? Because we are purchasing furniture. Furniture is increasing. Increase in the furniture, that is increase in the asset, is what? Is debited. Furniture account is debited, cash account is credited. Another example, purchase furniture rupees 40,000. What is there? Furniture is there. It is necessary to check cash or credit. On account is not there. On credit is not there. For cash is not there. Party name is not there. Simple purchase furniture. How we are purchasing furniture? We are purchasing furniture by giving cash. Cash and furniture. Cash comes in asset. When we are purchasing furniture by giving cash, our cash is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Decreasing, the asset is credited. Furniture comes in asset. When we are purchasing furniture, our furniture is increasing or decreasing? Our asset is increasing or decreasing? Our asset is increasing. Increasing, the asset is what? Is debited. So in this video, what we completed? We completed purchase of asset on the basis of credit and also on the basis of cash, and we are continuing in the next video. Thank you.